Good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Just got a journal share. I did the mushroom kit by artymaze. I used a floral cover, which I really like, and I've just done some layering and of bits of lace and a little bit boho stuff. And I quite like how it turned out. Put a charm down the side of it. It's one signature journal. I love this kit and I've utilised it before. I'll actually show you my other book I did. It's a smaller journal again, but it comes with the attaché case, the other one. This one doesn't. I love that photo. And what I did is I just sewed a button in and just used a bit of sari to attach it. Whoops. Okay. It's, like I said, it's a one signature. It's got a fabric cover inside, fabric pocket with two little tucks there. This kit comes with some wonderful bits and pieces. I made a little booklet. So if you like booklets, there's booklets in there. And then I just used various ephemera that I had in the kit, from another kit. And I think that was Tsunami Rose. I made another booklet for the half page. You guessed it, I love little booklets, and they're so quick and easy to make. A journaling card, and I backed them all to coffee stain pages, which I really like. It is a beautiful kit, so everything's backed, which is how I like it. This kit's gorgeous. It's gorgeous to work with. Oh, look, I kept it super simple. Like I said, and it comes with coordinating pages. This book belongs to, I just put there, made by myself, February 2020. I always forget to sign my books. How many of you forget to sign your books? Again, using lots of journaling cards. It also comes with prints for CD covers. I haven't got any, so I still sewed around them and whatnot. And everything is sewn around. Again, the journaling cards are so cute. And I backed them to tea stained pages. And then this other ephemera that goes. I just put extras. I always put extras in my journals because I feel that sometimes you need to do what you need to do to your journal. So again, it's backed, it's sewn around. Aren't they gorgeous? It's a really, really gorgeous kit. Easy to work with and just fun. This is just your everyday journal. It's not been overdressed. It's just really been just made up for your everyday stuff. So, and this is why I did it this way. So that you can put in it what you want. You can dress this up as good as you want. I used my spray tea dyeing method, which I really love because you get that really edgy look to your pages. And then there's another tuck. Isn't that gorgeous? These must be Tsunami Rose, but I really love working with artymaze's digital designs because you do have other pages that you can put on the next side and they look really cute. Just gorgeous. It's a gorgeous kit. Now this was printed on parchment paper. I see the variations in my pages. So that's the other side of the and that's what I like about artymaze's kits. I didn't do anything to the envelopes that make it up. Again, that was printed on parchment. It's just got a bit of lace there, which I like. Like I said, I kept this simple. Simple sometimes is really nice. Again, you got your journaling cards. This kit is just amazing to work with. It comes with tabs. It also comes with tickets. And the page is gorgeous. Like I said, this is printed on parchment paper. I just find when you print on parchment paper, it just gives it that really nice look. Journaling card. I meant to put more ephemera in there and I didn't. And it needs a bling. I don't use ribbons in my journals when I do a simple signature because I find it gets too chunky too quick. Edith Holden page with toads and mushrooms. Here again, I used a music page for my centre signature. Very old vintage music paper. Look at that. Love it. Edith Holden. I love the grungy looking paper. It just goes well with this journal. Again, there's quite a few journaling cards. I should actually put those with the other one. That's the problem with me. I always leave something out, and it's not intentional. It's just I get so roped up doing journals that sometimes I forget to add the rest of the journaling cards. So I might put them there because there's plenty in here. It's not like there isn't. Gorgeous, is it? It really, really is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous journal. And look, for an everyday journal, this is ideal. You can write on it, or you don't have to use an everyday journal. You can actually do more work on this. You can put more lace, or use more laces on it. But I just love it. I love how it printed out. Like I said, parchment paper is my paper to go for printing out kits. It goes beautifully with the tea coffee stain pages. Again, like I said, it comes with a lot of pockets, so this kit's well worth purchasing. And you can use it time and time again. That's the beauty of having this kit. Like I said, I used it sometime last year, and I've actually still got the journal here because it comes with an attaché case. I did the attaché case for Tracy Fox. But aren't they cute? So I need to put a bling on that other one. Again, I've got a little tuck there. Then I've got more journaling cards. That's for your CD covers, if you've got CD covers, which I haven't. More journaling cards. It's like a really gorgeous kit. Like I said, then I added my own ephemera as well from various other artists. And here's another envelope, another CD, journaling card. And there's the back of the journal with another half page and another book. Whoops, oops, oops, oops. What have I done here? I've got to be so gentle. I like these booklets. So easy to make. It's all easy to make. And they tuck in nicely in there. And there's another tag, and then more ephemera. Here's a CD one. Here's a page I got from a book that I thought would go in nicely. It's just been sitting there for quite some time. Obviously, I've ripped into it at some stage, though. Gelling cards and these little tags. But I love the way it turned out. And on the bottom, I just attached 2 flower laces with some bling. And like I said, it's so easy to use this method of tying up. I sewed the button there, and then there it is. I did a butterfly there, and what I did, I used, just give me 2 seconds and I'll get the other book and this beautiful charm. I honestly don't know what I did with the other one. I really don't know what I did with the stuff that I used to produce that nice sheen on it, unless it's under here. Oh, there it is. I use this stuff, glossy accents, and that gives you that nice accented look. Isn't it cute? I thought this came out really gorgeous. Here's the one I made for the attaché case, and I still haven't put the ribbon around that, which I will do, which will have the same closure. This has got a vintage button. I mean, this button is so old. But this was an old shirt that I ripped up, and if you can see all the nice characters of the fabric. But I'll show you through this one. Like, I really, really loved making this. Here I made a baggy pocket using the kit, using the tags. I layered on the tags, I sewed, I did some collaging. It just turned out really good. This is supposed to be like this. I think it'd come out cute, this one. But look at the colours. This was done on tea stain pages. And they're gold. And the effects are amazing. So you find that I do things a little bit differently at times in how I do things. It's a little tea bag with some tags. A very old book page. So I kept this one simple as well. That's amazing what a bit of the difference in the pages are, from tea dyed to parchment and whatnot. It's a lot of sewing. Again, I layered my tags as I do. But this comes with an attaché case, and it's got lots of journaling cards, all relevant to this kit. But I haven't got the attaché case in this room. I just thought I'd show you the difference between the 2 journals and the gold flecks in my pages. I didn't do a lot of work to this one. I just, again, kept it simple. Because the attaché case, there's a lot of journaling cards in that. A little envelope and the taggy. So these can be made up into clips. I didn't do that. So there's the baggie there with just a bit of a layout. And there's journaling cards. Oh, my hands don't want to work. Don't you hate that? It's an old. And there's stuff behind there as well. I think there is, but I can't get it out. Hang on a moment. There's a little collage here with the journaling card. That comes out. Oh, I think it goes behind that one. That's it. And there should be a journaling card, I think, in here. Yeah, there is. I don't know if there's anything more. Nope. But it's the gold on my pages. There's a tutorial on my channel that says how to do that. And I just use the fabrics for the centres. Here's a little pocket. And I think, oh no, you can't. Did some layers there, and there's a tuck there. That's that. So you can keep things simple and elegant by just adding little extra stuff to. But the difference in between the journals, you can really notice it. Like I said, this is tea dyeing with gold. And look, it's just a basic journal, but it is cute. And the ephemera that comes with it. I've done quite a bit to the attaché case. Like I said, it's not in the room, so I can't show you it, but there is a video up on it. If you want to see it, leave a comment down below and I'll retape these. But I just like it. This is a really gorgeous kit. Like I said, you can do it any which way and it's going to look good. It really is. It's really elegant. See how you can dress up your envelopes, where I didn't do it with that one. A letter. And I used a scrappy, made up a scrappy to tuck a letter behind it. And that's the end of the journal. Like I said, I just need to thread through the ribbon there, which I haven't done. But that's that one. So they're the two mushroom journals. But like I said, that comes with an attaché case. So thanks everyone for watching. And I hope you like these journals. Give me the thumbs up. Tell me what you think. But like I said, this comes with the attaché case. So it's got a folder in there. It's got tags. It's got all sorts of things. But if you want to see the whole video, I will redo that video. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.